What's happening, fellas? Just so you know, this is fully warmed up. This bike is sold to a friend of mine, and I was just doing the final detail down at the detail shop on it. And it is got the full stage 1 Kaplan Cycles kit on it. It's a 2024 Buell Hammerhead carbon fiber edition. It's got the gloss clear coated carbon fiber with the red graphics. It's one badass machine, and I thought we're better to film it in front of the #1 Kaplan America red, white, and blue sticker. It's about as American as a motorcycle as you can get, made right in Grand Rapids, Michigan. It's a Buell 1190. You probably already know. If you don't, 186 horsepower. Look at the front brake on this. Air-cooled, twin ram air cool onto this massive 4-piston caliper with a huge perimeter rotor. Lightweight, super fast, and this has the stage 1 tuner on it. We sent the tuner out and had it programmed for this. And show them, can you zoom in on the exhaust and show them the polish? Actually, look from underneath. You can see from the bottom side, it's got a polished, see that? Polished stainless steel full exhaust system that we build in-house here. Pretty badass. It sounds wicked. So this is sold. I'm not going to put my helmet on and rip it. Normally would put a helmet on to ride this thing, because it's an absolute rocket ship. But I just want you guys to hear it, take a look at it, and let you know if you want to buy one of these. Junior's got 3 of these pipes in stock. There's about normally a 3 to 6 week back order on them. We built 3 of them. We're gonna build some more. It take a while to build, but the stainless steel, super high quality. There's nothing on the market even close to that for a Buell. It'll also fit on the Hammerhead, the SX, and any of the current 2024 Buell models. It bolts right on. You gotta send us your tuner so we can send it out. Liquid cooled with the fan. Listen to this thing. Make no mistake, this is about as badass as it gets for American V-twin motorcycles. There's nothing quite like it. It's really in a class of its own. It's a super bike made in the USA. And a bike like this, you would think would be at $25,000, $35,000. You can get into this carbon fiber masterpiece for under 20 G. So if you're interested in one with several different models in stock, different colors, custom paints, red, white, and blue ones. We got a silver one, black one, carbon fiber one. Give Junior a call, 860-454-7024. We offer financing, and